Hello?
Oh, jeez.
What the hell?
God!
What? Oh! Calm down, bro! He's not thy brother. I am not part of thy brethren. What's your problem?
Where is thy steed? Where am I?
What are you saying?
I don't know!
Steed? Are you talking about horses? This is a school.
There's no horses. What is thy land?
Dude, I gotta go to class. If you want, you can come with me so we can talk.
What is this? And what is that? What the hell is that? I metal horses.
It's a car.
What is thy shoe doing here?
That's a tire, you fish!
What is thy tire? I am Sir Richard, son of Peter, of the realm Darjanham.
You mean Dagenham, right?
Darjanham, that is what I said, the boy.
Dude, I gotta get a lesson. Hey, you're high.
And remember, don't do drugs, kids, or you could end up like me.